Oh, this sucks. We're about to get a lot of heavy rain. Look at this, guys. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another new day here. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Because so far here in Richmond, it is a beautiful day. From what I hear, so it's the same applies in California. Well, looks like we're finally getting that window fixed. Took it long enough to get here to do it. But for now, I've got to adjust this and put my camera facing the other direction on here because I've noticed it does not sit right. Oh, this sucks. We're about to get a lot of heavy rain. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it went pretty deep. And the flag's out of whack again. I swear I hate this thing. And this is what happened during that short little thunderstorm we had. Gonna see if I can mess with Robbie. Scare the crap out of him. I got him. I got him. Hey! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, go ahead and hit that. Go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications using that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my other channels. All links in the description below. Don't forget to check out my social media. All links in the description below. And I will be providing a link to my new Facebook account, my new Facebook business account, known as James Spiller YT. It's under the link of facebook.com/James Spiller YT. Also guys, don't forget to check out my referral links for epidemicsound.com, Fiverr.com, and Amazon. And check out Amazon Prime while you're on Amazon. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video.